Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use a USB security key for a Bank of America. Now first of all, let me explain that this can only be done on your PC because we will be plugging in a USB key, right? So first log in into your Bank of America account online and then come here and click on Security Center. When you get this drop down, click on Set Up Two-Factor Authentication. Now here, I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see this section, Enhance your two-factor authentication. Just go ahead and toggle this one on, and then you can scroll down and where you see Increase your device security, next to Additional security features, click on Review, and then once you see USB security key, tap on Add. Now what I want you to do is just plug your security key into your computer's USB port, and you should get this pop-up. And just come here and tap on OK. And there you go. It's telling you that bankofamerica.com will see the make and model of our security key. Tap on OK again. Then just enter your security key password if you already have one, or you can put in a new password and then just click on OK. And there you go. We have successfully registered this USB security key for Bank of America. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.